Wanna do is bring you glory and honor. It's all for you, none of me. It's more of you, less of me. All for your kingdom, all for your glory.
Well, hello, darlings, and Happy New Year. Well, thank you for coming back. If this is your first time, welcome. If not, welcome back. Well, today's video is all about my top priorities for 2023. I'm not going to create any, as what they want to say, my resolutions, because there are no resolutions for me. It's only my top priorities that's going to make me better than what I was on last year. And the first and most important one is that one-on-one relationship with God, talking to him, spending time with him before I start my day. I have apps that I do focus on and read through, and that is my daily word, as well as the King James Bible. I do jot down words that is going to help me throughout the day, not only help me but others that may be seeking guidance from God. So let's talk about this wellness piece. It is time for me to get dedicated to my exercising, and so I do exercise at least 3 times out of a week. And if you still would like to see some videos that I've made in 2022 on getting my wellness together, I will have that listed for you as well. Hi, I just wanted to quickly jump on here to talk to you more about my wellness. Now, with my wellness journey, I have been going through so many things, trying to figure out what's for me and what's not. But this one product that I have been using, Magic Mind, you have seen me talk about this in previous videos, giving me so much energy that when I get off of work, especially if you're like me, working an 8 to 5 job, dealing with a lot of attitude, you got to do a lot of multitasking, and by the time you get home, you're just so exhausted that you don't want to do anything. Magic Mind will flip that, reverse that, to give you enough energy to do what you have to do when you get home. And a part of that is exercise. And so I'm going to have all that information listed at the bottom for you, because the benefits has been great for me. And another second part of that, you've already heard it, it eliminates them hot flashes. And I am so excited that I have found Magic Mind. And if you're interested in finding out more about Magic Mind, check out the description below. All right, so this particular piece of my priorities is getting me time. And one of that is reading. I read at least 15 to 20 minutes a day. And right now I am reading the Michelle Obama book. I'm almost finished with it. And I'm telling you guys, this book is a great read. I do recommend you and checking this book out, because she has a lot that she can tell you. Well, another thing that I love to do is to binge watch my favorite TV shows or movies, especially on the weekend. And one series that I just got to finish watching is Wednesday on Netflix. When I tell you that is a great series, I do recommend you watching that. I love to spend the time with my Bam Bam. We do sit on the couch, watch TV until the TV begins to watch us, if you know what I'm talking about. All right, so this responsibility, this priority is taking full responsibility of my finances. I know we are saying it, everything is going up, but what can we do about it? So I want to take full control of what I can control, that is my budget. There are some things that I need to watch what I'm spending, and in order for me to do that, I gotta take responsibility and make sure I jot down everything that I am doing. Now, I do want to talk to you about this new book that I just purchased from Amazon. It's the Budget Planner. It highlights everything that's going to help me get to where I need to be with my budget and my finances. It has a saving tracker that I can use to list everything that I'm saving for and how much amount that I'm putting in for my savings. And then it also lists my monthly budget on how much that I am spending. And it also has a calendar that can also highlight the dates of when my payments or what I need to be paid for on this booklet. Now, it also has my daily expenses. I do have the opportunity to write everything that I am spending. I do keep all of my receipts. Each week I write everything down on everything that I've spent. And in this planner, it has a month-to-month section, and it is color coded for each section. Now, another thing that I love about this, it has a little, as you call it, digital little template that can help you on how you can track and how you can put everything, all of your expenses together. And then it also has a little slot that you can put all of your bills in so that you won't be losing having paper all over the house. Just put everything in this slot for you. I will have this listed at the bottom for you as well. All right, so you know self-care was going to be in this priority, and this is also important, especially for me in 2023. I'm going to make sure I take care of myself, because if nobody else is going to do it, I know for sure I'm going to do it. If I don't love myself, how in the world are you going to think anybody else is going to love you? I'm going to make sure I take the time out each day to pamper myself. You don't necessarily have to always go to the salon or let someone else do it, because we don't always have those funds. But I'm going to make sure I'm going to take care of myself and make myself a top priority. I love me some onesies, girlfriend, and I will have this one listed for you at the bottom. And what's wrong with not putting cologne on at night before you go to bed? You do it when you leave out the house, so why not smell fabulous when you go into bed? And skincare, I am going to make sure I do that morning and night, because again, I love me, baby. And honey, when it's all about me, I'm going to make sure I'm taking care of me.
You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite.